RST has had a strategic plan in place for some time now to work on building our local air service and increasing our passenger volumes here. We know that there's a tremendous opportunity to continue growing. You know, the community knows that we've brought more flights and more options, and people are using it, and that's what's really great.
We have critical air cargo and private aviation operations that happen right next door. This provides for a super vibrant community and really opens the door for the growth that we're going to be seeing in our community in the years ahead. We're very excited about that.
We had Denver service start in October. Obviously, we've had to weather the impacts of the pandemic and the travel industry, but overall that's recovering really well, and it's got a strong future for it, as well as our other flights here at RST. And now we're excited to have this new service starting this winter, which really serves the needs of those leisure travelers.